驻波和梅尔的实验。那首先是仪器介绍：电池音叉、音叉驱动器、2条尼龙线一粗一细、载重盘、滑轮、砝码、2条电线及其1个卷子。那首先是先将装置装上，也就是先将电线连接上。连接好之后呢，将细线跨过滑轮，并挂上载重盘。要注意保持尼龙线以及桌面的水平。接着开启电源，将电池音叉移动到150公分处，观察明显是个弓形驻波的形成。至于要怎么确定驻波是在共振的状态呢？只要轻抬载重盘，或者是轻压载重盘，观察振幅是不是都是减小的趋势，就可以确定它是否在共振的状态。接着只要照着表一改变弦长以及载重盘的重量，就可以完成表一的4个实验。
After having completed part 1, we are now moving on to part 2. To begin part 2, you should first turn off the device and replace the thin string with a thick string. Add 20 grams to the plate, which will give you a total mass of 70 grams. Adjust the fork levelly 90 degrees to make the cord vertical with the fork. And turn on the device. Adjust the length of the fork forward or backward until you can see the string vibration producing 3 both standing waves. Apply a little pressure until the accurate standing wave amplitude is reduced to locate the best resonant position. Measure the cord length with the tape from the tip by the tuning fork to the pulley tangent point and record your findings. For the next step, repeat the previous step, but now add 110 grams to the plate, which will give you a total mass of 160 grams, and see the string vibration producing 2 both standing waves. Last but not least, repeat the previous step, but now add 570 grams to the plate, which will give you a total mass of 620 grams, and see the string vibration producing 1 both standing wave. Record all your findings, and that's all for part 2.
Now we're gonna again change the weight to see the variation in the bow. First, we're gonna turn off the device. We turn it off. And then second, we're gonna add some weight. We're gonna add 570 grams. There will be a total of 620 grams in the plate. Okay, right now we're gonna turn on the device. Okay, and then now we're gonna adjust the fork direction to the parallel position, just like that. And now you can see the change in the bow. Yeah, there's slightly 2 bows in the waves. It's difficult to see. Right now you can change the weight and repeat those steps, and you're gonna see slight variation in the balls, in the standing weight. That's the end of our experiment.